Come northwest.
Nag-off ka na kayo pa?
Oo. Hold here. Anong nangyayari
Ito yung
dyan?
hounds. Tumatakbo yung hounds.
Tapos, sino yung nasa castle?
Radiant.
Natakot yung hound.
Hounds to?
Mas mahirap
Hounds
tong
pala yung
kasi nasa loob na sila ng castle.
western natatak ka sa west.
Gago.
Pwede nyo i-cut off ata. Maaabutan nyo pag kinatap nyo.
Tara, i-cut off na.
Ano yan? Bungi-bungi yung comp nyan.
Come southwest.
Pero tinalo nila ako eh.
Kung nakaka-dismount yung red dyan, mapapo-force to fight nyo yan.
Uy, Aguilar regrouping.
May Tisoy din, Bisdak.
Dami.
Andito si Baloni.
No. Ang laki gago.
Level 7 yung hounds.
Come north.
Sarap dito.
Aguilar.
Good morning, Kipo.
Dito rin sila Janix, puta.
Welcome back.
Puta, may western pa.
Good morning, Kipo.
Parang in-session lang to, guys.
Nauhulat sa content,
Bisdak 2DA.
Saan?
Doon din, sa may south. Andyan si Baloni, nandun sa may north side. Nag-i-scout out.
Morning, Kipo.
Guys, anong plano natin?
Wow, nagpapatayan na.
Tara, kakantatin natin lahat.
Makikanta tayo.
Agila to Agila.
Wow, ba't ka nakikigabit para?
Regroup na with me.
Kailangan niya ba ng Jay sa laban? Pwede mag-battle scout na lang.
Parang gano'n na nga yung mangyayari, Iliad. Kailangan natin
para hindi kayo backshot.
Kailangan natin ng live scouts dito.
Kung backshotin kita, Iliad.
Halika dito.
Thank you, Lord, for this day.
Sorry.
Tara.
Hindi pala ako si Otto.
Para posi daw. Guys, ready. North, shallow north. 3, 2, 1. North. Come back southwest.
Agila moving.
Go back, chop. Hold here. Hold here.
May nagrarap around sa south.
May nagigit sa kanila sa loob.
Hold here.
Looking sila.
Come southwest. Ready. Come north.
Nagit na yung ay dyan sa west.
Yeah. Ready, northeast, guys. Ready. Northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on this guy. Now come southwest more. Where's Aguila?
Wala pa. Scattered pa sila sa around the area.
Hold here.
Looking radiant.
Looking radiant sa atin.
Come northwest. Walk northwest, boys. Walk northwest. Sige, alis lang kayo. Sige lang. Andiyan yung Aguila. Come northwest lang. Galaw lang. Yeah. Come northwest.
Imbi bomber.
Yeah. Come southwest more. Come northwest. Come northwest here. Northwest. Asan na sila?
Bumalik.
Come southeast. Okay, come southeast. Where are they?
Ito, mounted.
Hold here.
Mounted din yung western.
Okay, mount up. Everyone mount up.
Hounds pa rin yung castle pala, so hindi pa nare-retake.
Western.
Hold lang. Scout. I need scout. Hold here.
Radiant level 2. Western no, disarray.
Just hold here.
Agila ka sa loob ng castle. Ay, Radiant.
Agila no, disarray. So basically tayo malakas dito.
Come southeast.
Just markahan mo na yun, no? 3-way yung pangalan, no?
Come southeast.
Ano na ba?
Guys, wake up.
Nasa north, nasa loob ng castle.
Iliad, pasa mo nga party din sa akin.
Okay, come northwest.
Nag-walk in na yung Agila.
Come northwest.
Wala kang spell mark, Iliad?
Come northwest.
Wala.
Come northwest.
Sige. Nasa mob.
Come inside. Oh, no. Hold. Come southwest.
Wait.
May tao ba sa loob ng Lord Room?
Yung Radiant.
Southeast mo, Western Paradise din mounted.
Come southwest.
Masa-sandwich tayo pagka pumasok tayo.
Yeah.
Western wrapping around dito sa may east side ng castle. Pero mounted pa sila. Nagma-mount yung Radiant din. Nag-remount yung Radiant.
Saan Agila?
Mounted na rin yung Agila. East side. Nasa loob na yung Radiant. Nasa loob ng Radiant. Yung Agila east side ng castle. Western south side ng castle.
Tulo po.
Blue castle to.
Yung antay nasa likod niya na.
Come southwest,
Solo
come
bang
southwest, come
siguro
southwest,
pala
come southwest, come
dollar.
southwest. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Wake up, come southwest. Nag-aabang sila kung sinong lalaban sa Radiant tapos walang lumaban sa Radiant, so wala na backdoor.
Gago. May nagbumukbang pa ng libro kanina.
Hold here.
Gago, Western pinaka ano dito, pinaka mahina.
Kaso nga lang kasi, ang ginagawa
Sila
nila,
yung
inaantay
marami
nila
bigyan.
maglaban tayo. Tapos lilikuran natin nila tayo. Same with Agila. Tayo yung pinakamarami. Level 12 tayo.
How?
Agila
What
dito.
the fuck? Level 12 tayo? What the hell? Ang ano?
Tayo yung pinakamarami
Hindi,
nila.
feel
Gusto
ko
tayo
hindi
sa
magdidiscount to hanggat hindi tayo lumalaban kasi iniisip nila tayo yung marami.
Oo, yun nga, yun nga.
Ang problema,
Hammer.
may dala ba kayong hammer?
Meron
I
na.
think we can fight. May occult naman tayo.
Hmm.
So kailangan lang may live scout sa flank natin.
Ano to, Agila?
Yeah. Agila also going southwest. Pwede ka mag-catch siya.
Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest.
West side daw tayo, sabi ng Agila.
West side tayo. Sabi nila?
Sino
No?
nag-start?
Gusto ata nila i-take yung southeast. Baka ano.
Oh, sige. Double siege. Pwede naman.
Tanongin niyo ulit. Ayun o, si One Hit. Siya yung nagsabi eh.
Hold here. Asan yung Radiant? Come southwest. Gago, nasa gitna nila tayo. Tayo na nyo. Come southeast. Wake up, come southeast.
Agila lang yung nasa gitna.
Come northeast. Huwag kayo magpa-dismount. Nasa southwest na Radiant.
Mounted ng Radiant. Dismounted Radiant.
Anyway,
Mounted na Agila dito. South.
Agila o
south
Radiant?
side. Agila.
Both keep pares na sa
Alin?
west side mo.
Itong ina.
Come southwest.
Nasa likod sila ng Radiant. Agila on the backside of Radiant.
Okay, come southwest.
Facing you,
Radiant,
facing you, Radiant.
Where? How many spins?
Facing you northwest, facing you.
Castle yung Radiant. West side mo Agila. Dismounted yan.
Okay, come southeast.
Gago, tatlo kayo nasa atin.
Come southeast. Nalilito ako, pre. Come
Jail,
southeast.
Iliad, Otto. Sino ba talaga?
Tara. Dito lang tayo. I-1v1 na lang natin.
hindi naman online si Otto ah.
Ano trip nila naman dito ni Three-Way? Hayop na yan.
Ano yun? 8.4 na ano?
Keep scouting.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep scouting.
Papunta sa'yo yung Radiant, harap sa'yo. Southeast.
Mula sa likod o mula sa castle?
Castle.
Mula sa west, mula sa
Castle.
castle.
NBC 3-way.
Wrapping na.
Nag-iba yung bomba.
Ingat.
Hitting na sa inyo. Diyan lang nakaharap mismo. Wala na yung Agila dito ah.
Bago walang damage yun.
Shallow northwest, guys. Ready? Shallow northwest in 3. Hold. 2. Cancel.
Hindi ko matinig. Sige po.
Ready? May cooldowns pa kaya? Ready, guys? Yeah,
Sieging na lang west side Agila.
Yeah.
Sieging
3,
na lang west side
2,
Agila.
1. Just on this guys. Almost.
Careful ah. Nagsisiege lang yung Agila sa west side.
Okay. Kami na bit. Kill.
Si Three-Way nasa southwest nyo ah.
Okay.
Mounting. Trying to go out si Three-Way.
Nang go out. Tangin na, buwaling ko yun.
May Skalmar ka, wall pa.
May
Bong.
Instalmart mo.
Where are they
Instalmart.
now?
Oo.
They fighting?
No,
Someone
no,
bonk
no,
northeast.
not
Someone
yet,
bonk
not
northeast.
yet, not
Some
yet,
people
not
bonk
yet.
northeast. Some people
They're
bonk
not fighting
northeast.
yet.
Yeah,
Agila
bonk
is outside
northeast,
of the
bonk northeast
castle.
gate. Bonk northeast gate.
They're fighting now. Radiant is facing Agila now.
Bang Pastor.
Come back here.
Check lang ako sa
They're
backline.
going outside of the castle now.
Ayun, may no si Brink.
May nabasagan.
Oh my god, bro. Just double OC. The fuck?
Yun. Ren Ose.
Okay, Radiant going back inside castle.
Okay, come in. Ready, guys. Northwest. Ready. Northwest now in 3, 2, 1. Come back. May engage na. Be careful over the wall northwest. Be careful over the wall northwest. Oh my god, red don't have boots. Be careful over the wall northwest, boys.
Nawala si Three-Way dito. Baka nandiyan. sa
Kaka-hit lang niya.
Okay.
Bobo talaga.
Agila, sieging southwest.
Check lang ang backline mo ah. Southeast.
Going ako.
Pabonk yung northeast.
Wala akong hammer.
Come northeast. Wag mo ibonk. Don't finish that gate. Come northeast.
Kahit na escalation dyan, Kip ah.
Oo, sige lang, sige lang. We'll do shallow, guys. Ready ah? Shallow. Northwest in 3. Hold. Wala.
Ilya, dito ka
Miss
pwesto.
miss
Dito ka pwesto para ma-stop mo. Ilya,
Come
dito ka
come
pwesto.
southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Agila
Watch
inside
na lang.
already.
Guys, ready,
Agila
ready.
inside,
Guys,
Agila
defensive.
inside,
Uy, uy,
Agila
uy, uy.
inside.
Wake up, boys. Wake up. Come back. Defensive. Defensive. Come southwest, guys. Ready, guys. On top of us, boys. Hold. Come southwest. Northwest now, guys. Ready. Push northwest, boys. Push northwest, boys. Push northwest. Ready, northwest, boys. Ready, northwest. Northwest now on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Every knock. Ha? Guys, cool down. Ano, wala kang damage? No DPS?
Sandwich sila dyan, Gip. Sandwich sila
Guys,
dyan.
guys.
We can hold.
Bong this. Hold this. May cooldowns pa kayo?
Speed na ready.
5 seconds.
Okay. Bong, fast. Ready defensives, ha? Ready defensives. Nice.
They just hit Agila. They just hit Agila.
Keep bonking.
Uy, Jel, ano yan?
Keep bonking.
Madami pa.
Ready DPS ah.
Yeah. Be
Huwag ako,
careful.
may lalapit dito talaga.
Come na rest a bit. Hold here. Guys, ready defensive sa inyo. Yes.
Jelly ko, bro.
May engage Agila. Careful lang.
May engage din tayo. May engage din sila. Just be careful. Mabigat engage yan, ha?
Careful lang.
Stay
Just
safe.
care northeast.
Heal, run.
They just hit.
They're looking. Come southeast more. Ready, guys. Ready. Northwest now. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Northwest man. Kill them, boys. Damage, guys. Prevailed. Come southeast more. Come southeast more. Bong now. Ready, bong. Keep bonking. Keep bonking. You guys have defensives? Do you guys have defensives? Bong,
Yes,
please.
I have G. Looking na ako sa unahan mo, pa wala sa
Yeah,
backline.
sige lang. Just hold it.
Dapat
Bong,
guard dyan,
Hanapin niyo si Ellie. Sino si Ellie? Pakimark ka si Ellie. Keep ano.
Bong.
Jel.
Mark. Ellie.
Ay, nasa three-way. Hold.
Ba't Jel,
I mean,
kaya
slowly. Chill lang kayo. Be
Si
ready to fight.
Ellie. Pakihanapin yung IG na.
Guys, asan yung agad?
Southwest.
Come southwest. Come northwest. Guys. Wake up. Come northwest. Wake up.
Lumalabas sa Radiant.
Wake up.
They're trying to go out.
Looking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South is on me. Ang laki gago. Ang bagal ng DPS natin. Come south.
Okay.
Come north.
Dying.
Come northwest lang. Sige, guys. Come northwest. Hold this now. Come northeast.
Agila looking.
Cool down. Excuse me, northeast. Full push your Radiant. Okay, guys, ready.
Radiant trying to go out.
Full push. Agila south natin, no? Sige, full push
Yeah.
lang.
Southeast.
Okay. Come southeast now. Okay, ready. Come southeast now. On this guy. On Terencio, 3, hold, 2, 1. On Terencio.
Dito nahanap yung ano? Ellie.
Southeast Agila.
Come southeast.
Oh.
Come southeast. Hold here. Cool down.
Agila looking na.
Yeah. Hold this.
Hindi na ako pwede
Hold
sumama.
this.
Ano, na ako kasi 17M na yung loot.
Come southeast.
Matay si Ellie. Gago siya nag-loot nun.
Come southeast. Walk with me. Fast. Stop Agila.
Yan. I'm going out. I need to go out. Masyado na ako marami.
Come back.
Ina mo, may keno. Ang sarap mo.
Come castle.
Magkano yung loot ba ni Ellie? Magkano yung loot ni Ellie?
Ha?
Guys, loot.
Open chest.
Atin ba? Hindi, may lord pa yan.
Kaya nga, flip.
Wala, nakuha na yung pattern.
Nakuha na. Sarado na.
Nakuha na